Nations FC coach from Paul Manson say, Emra ye wo mi no, mintimi injama he players me you say enkosa. Already Prince Badu, a very good defensive midfield. Utimisa break into attack ko. Na Annor virtually he's our top leading striker. Even though so onye out and out striker. Annor Ofri Nations, Ofri Bechem United, eba team of friendly Nations FC no. Sabre no attacking midfielder. Obaye no na wagura asabeye utility player utimisa ball in the wings. At certain most times Nations FC the 2 years and I say the 2.5 years are old in the Nations FC ne dey. Obobo no more of as an attacker. Na Frimpong Manson and Edin Komono echere the club owner. Apparently, the club owner, Dr. Kyei, Kotoko ni. So this is the Adenayano. It's interesting. And another interest. They say interest no. Three against one. Sana the player himself. Ninuya ba Kotoko. Unyaya no so Kotoko. Prince Beduko. And already Kroma no. Every player person Kotoko. Every player person Kotoko. So akoye 3 against 1. Player no enyaya dey no and go through for him to join Kotoko. First round by next 2 weeks. Sebe go through or say go through man. And na Kotoko so enya striker na ope into 2. And na Dr. Kyei ono ene kura the selling right man. Se say ono so OJ man sa. Nemo no the only challenge se see I wo ho ne say Emmanuel Annor to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Ekoba sa na ye weekend Nations FC team no. And coach from Paul Manson, Kasim Mengel, make us a Nations FC Pamo no, and I say, Omunia and YouTube say, you man, Muntimin, you Muntian fancy or to say the Chelsea the Blues, and Enzo Maresca, a party ways. Ye Pam Kasim Mengel, our Kasim Mengel, say, no, Wakofa local blasters, the Black Galaxies, and all, and I say, new crowd dada. Enti Kasim Menga ye pamana opanye a friend from Paul Manson abesomu no. From Paul Manson empe nimgu ase. I don't want it to be say me kra anya me de. Say season ne beba wiye at the end of the season na Nations FC equal relegation. Because the Nations FC equal relegation na Kotoko ye ne lose. Team e obeba mu no. Sa o tamala I wasn't ka Kotoko Obo Nations away and go be 2 petrol be me Ghana say $5 akwa yi no. Go be 2 petrol be 1 drone akota male. Nations FC the only group e boaye. Na emom no from Paul Manson who say Emmanuel Annor no currently the leading striker. Every man na Kotoko ye weekend ni team no. Na club ni wura so na samo nye den Kotoko no. Inti assembly yeah based on comments bia abeto mani ni chese o se o enye hwe badu die no sa na o ka kire no se enye hwe na enne 1st of January nkomodie ne ekoso player ni pushi behind the scenes ena Kotoko nso ekura mu se so far as say of fitting into Kotoko plans na Abet score ya no. Ye replace Abet directly. No Kotoko hunu nso hu ni say ni addition ne beboa. Provided say ono ano eba Kotoko a obetima be replace players mienu. So Kotoko adwen o person o de sign Emmanuel Annor no. And say sisi ano Emmanuel Annor ne ba he will be playing as a striker for Kotoko. No abeka strikers 2 no already Donzo ne Kwame Poku. At the end of the season, you know, Kotoko enya striker bi aka ho a omanya aka ho. Sa omanya bibi anka ho so a Emmanuel Annor no will also serve in a capacity as a winger, provided say Peter Midwakwa ebe free Kotoko at the end of the season. So if Peter Midwakwa free her at the end of the season, Emmanuel Annor and the Kotoko negotiate, you know. Obebo 6 months na wie no asa be direct replacement for Peter Midwakwa. So enkomo no the way sitia no. Enti Kotoko any ewo Emmanuel Annor dey no based on the matter after hinting of the comment of the team owner. The team owner no commenter eba as say onye na adwen say one Kotoko be twe ne twentwen, which is Dr. Kwame Kyei. Dr. Kwame Kyei Kotoko nima. Me say Prince Badu deal no meka sikasem ho nhyehyeye ne agreement a ebe ye onwanwa. Enti we no it is just likely to happen based on maybe amete any information and then you may be receiving it as it is just likely to happen. So, because the player has concerted, the player has actually expressed interest in joining Kotoko. And that team owner so, and I've been saying, after all, Kotoko, Makoye Juma order, Makoye chairman of Kotoko, in the end, Wabaso Opa, and then I'm a worker. And now, Kotoko so, a person who use player, no na, omode, ebe ma instant results. At the current time, Kotoko 1 Nations FC players, no, say, Omuhuni say, Annor currently he's in the league, and so obey many ya, obeba ma instant results. At least in the second half, no bit in the second round, me can was me second half of the season, second round, we bit Kotoko be at least 8 goals. So be more 8 goals ebeboa ama winning the league no akosoro. And your ball league ni wie so a se Peter Midwakwa na yanom ombekoi omukwa a this same player will serve as a direct replacement for Peter Midwakwa. Therefore adentira yemfa bibia ngu so ni enya no nkomodie no based on enumere 1st of January 2026 the Efremu Banono. So Emmanuel Annor to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no is gaining huge momentum based on Nkomodia Yetete.